I am ready and delighted to meet now Luca Carollo, Sales and Marketing Manager of Clevertech, here at Interpack 2026. One of the add values of Clevertech is that they are able to follow and support the complete project, not just one line.
Yes, Sonia, that's the main important value as of today. With all the digital data that we have available, we can really design with the customer the plant, a greenfield plant or a brownfield installation, do a 2D drawing, and get with the customer the idea of how it should be the plant, transform it in 3D, and then execute the simulation, which is helping us to show to the customer visually how it looks the complete plant and what are the point of attention where we have to focus to get the maximum efficiency in the complete system that we want to deliver to him.
You mentioned data. How much is important be able to manage data for you?
Data today are essential. I mean, if we think today's situation that we have in our normal consumer behavior, data are tracking a lot of things, and as well in the packaging line. So the fact to be able in the packaging line to extract the data, to give this data available to the customer to understand what is the bottleneck of the line, what is the major consumption point in terms of electricity of the line, and what are the predictive and preventive maintenance tasks to be performed, is the starting point for the after sales service.
Yes, supplying lines is important, but also the part relating the service is crucial.
Absolutely. Service for us is an important matter. We serve 80% of our customers are multinational. So we are 6 service hub around the world. We have a service hub in China, one in India, one in Poland, one in Italy, one in United States, and one in Mexico. And with these 6 service hub, we can follow the 24/7 supports to the customer.
Luca, how is going on this Interpack 26 for you?
Interpack is always putting the expectation very high. We are extremely happy of these first 2 days. Also today, that is Saturday, we had a lot of visits since 10 o'clock in the morning. So we are extremely happy.
So it's just the third day now, so have a great Interpack ahead. Thank you to Clevertech and to Luca Carollo.
Thank you very much. Take care.